Happy Wednesday! I decided to change up my plan a little bit this week, and I wanted to document it, and also maybe it's helpful to some of y'all to see what I'm doing. I'm trying to remember what I cannot exactly remember. I think I weighed 215.4 yesterday morning. I want to say that's what it was because I was like 216.4, and then I think I lost a pound the first day on my liquid diet. Or maybe it was 215.2. I don't know. Anyway, today I weighed in at 213.2. So I broke past that 214 that I had gotten at, and then I had gained a pound and a half, and now I've broke past that, and I'm 213.2 today. Yesterday I did 8,000 steps, a little over 8,000. My goal for myself was 7,500, and it resets. Oh, if y'all are new to my channel, I had gotten from Wish. It's a cheap Fitbit, and this is called, I don't think it's going to show. It's not going to focus. It's Diggro. Digro? I don't know. Anyway, it's just a cheap Fitbit. And let's see. I wonder if it's dark, since it's dark in here. You just touch it, and it has steps. That's what I'm at right now. Yesterday I did 8,000, and what it was, my goal was 7,500 steps, and it was like 15 minutes before midnight, and at midnight it resets. Well, I was like, I got 15 minutes, and I think I was like 150 steps away from being 8,000. I'm like, you know, there's nothing going on right now. You're just kind of sitting here, so get up and walk around. So I got up and was kind of pacing around, and so I hit my 8,000 steps. And this is really cool. I'm sure a lot of other ones do this. When you hit your goal, it kind of vibrates, and then a little trophy comes up to let you know that you hit your goal. Did not know it did that. I was walking around, get my steps in, and then it hit the goal, and then it goes, you know, and it makes noise, and my arms start tingling. I was like, what is that? And then I looked down, and it had the little trophy, and I was like, oh, that's kind of cool. So anyway, for $17 so far, I really like it. If all you want is a pedometer, if you want something that tells you about your sleep and all that stuff, definitely get something more expensive. But if you just want to know about your steps, this is great. Again, I got it from wish.com. I actually counted my steps as I was stepping, and it's within 1 or 2 steps. And with me being so tall, I probably take less steps than it actually says. But like I said, because my stride is going to be a bigger stride than most people's. But it was within, every time I took count, it was within 1 or 2 steps. It wasn't exact on it, but for 1 or 2 steps, it's not that bad. And if you go over a little bit on your goal, then you know that you probably definitely took that many steps. But anyway, for $17, it's great. I like it. I wanted to share with y'all what my plan was. So I took pictures because I feel like the pictures are able to focus on the calories and the protein and sugar and all that information. I did decide last night to add a meal because the meal that I'm going to eat is the same amount of calories as my protein shake. So I'm going to do 2 protein shakes a day, and then I think it's Lean Cuisine is what it is, and it's steak portobello. And I'll show the pictures at the end of everything. But what I did was my iced coffee in the morning, and I meant to look and see how many calories I had yesterday. I want to say I had 558 calories is what I had, and I burned off 508 calories walking, according to this whatever pedometer thing. I made my iced coffee this morning like I've showed y'all. It's 38 calories. I may have another cup of coffee. I've already had, it's 11 o'clock now. I just finished my protein shake, and I've had a bottle of water so far. I'm planning on doing probably 3 bottles of water total. I'm trying not to go too much over on my, I know I probably eventually need to work up to a gallon of water a day, and I will. But right now I find if I drink too much fluids, then I kind of retain that, and I don't see as big of a weight loss. So that is definitely something I probably will eventually work up to. And I have done that in the past. I have drank yeah, that's a word. I have drank a gallon of water a day. I have done that before. So I probably will try eventually get up to that. I'll have one Diet Mountain Dew. It's the 5-calorie bottle. It's not the bigger one. I think the bigger bottle is 20 ounces and it's 10 calories. This is the 16.9 ounce bottle, so it's 5 calories. And my Cherry Coke Zero, I'll have that. And I find, for me again, the carbonation fills me up. If you find that the carbonation, having the diet drinks makes you crave carbs and eats more, then try to cut them out. But for me, it works for me because the bubbles fill me up and it doesn't leave me wanting anything. But everybody was eating their dinner and stuff last night, and I could smell it, and I'm like, I knew I had something in the freezer. I had brought, many nights I have brought food and not eat it, like the frozen meals. And because somebody would bring something else in and we'd end up eating that, like pizza or something else. Yeah, not doing that for this week. But anyway, I was like, I'm gonna eat that meal I've got. Instead of having my shake, I'm gonna do that. And I lost, I want to say it was 1.8. So I can't remember. I guess my weight was 215.4 is what it was yesterday, and then this morning it was 213.2, because I'm pretty sure it was 1.8 loss is what it was. So I'm thrilled with that. But anyway, I'm gonna roll the footage of what I'm gonna eat today, and I just thought the pictures would actually help y'all instead of it being all fuzzy and you couldn't really see everything. But that is it. I will probably see y'all Saturday. I don't know if I'll make another, who knows, y'all know me, I'm just like, I'll make a video. But if not before, I will see y'all Saturday. Y'all have a great rest of your week, and I will talk to y'all then. Love y'all. Bye.
Because you know I'm all about that bass, no trouble. I'm all about that bass, no trouble. I'm all about that bass, no trouble. I'm all about that bass, bass. Yeah, it's pretty clear, I ain't no size 2, but I can shake it like I'm supposed to do. Cause I got that boom boom that all the boys chase, and all the right junk in all the right places. I see the magazines working out Photoshop. We know that ain't real, come on now make it stop. If you got beauty, just raise them